We went from a pile of bolts to a machine with a V4 powered heartbeat. From every weld, every bolt, built with one goal: speed. Now this is more than just a buggy. This is Gages Garage. I don't know about you guys, but I had a blast ripping this thing today. And I kind of wanted to just take a second to talk about the future of the YouTube channel, I guess. Just what our plans are in the future. We are pretty much 99% done with this, other than a few minor things I'd like to get done, like flush the water and put actual coolant in it, now that I know it's working correctly. I'd also like to finish the exhaust. Let me know if you guys want, leave it the way it sounds, or you think I should do another 2-into-1. Do like a 90 or something. 2-into-1 through here. But I'm afraid if I do that, this is also going to have to be removable from here. So that way I can slide it out the back. So that way I can get the battery and everything out that side like I'm supposed to. But with all that being said, we are pretty much done with the Buggy. I do got to fix the brakes a little bit. They work, it's just you have to pump them a couple times in order for it to lock up, which obviously just means there's still air in my lines. But my goodness, I have been flushing them like crazy, and I don't understand why I can't get this thing to work correctly. So we're going to go get some more dot fluid and try and fill up, or try and flush the system yet again. But with that being said, I'm going to put my phone on this stand because my arm hurts, so I can talk more. Like I was saying, future of this channel. Now, obviously, the plan is to sell this Buggy. That was the whole point of this, was to build it from scratch, to sell it, try and raise some more money so that way I can continue funding these projects. Now that we're at this point, this is probably the last few videos you guys are going to see of this thing before I sell it. But if you guys are interested, subscribers get first dibs. So this is going to be listed on Marketplace. I will put the link in eventually on my YouTube channel once it is complete. I also have my email listed in my description as well if you guys would like to contact me about this. Or if you don't want to do that, comment in the comments and just let me know if you're interested. I'll reach out and then I can get you situated from there. But yeah, if you guys, any of you guys are interested in this, feel free to reach out with more questions and I'm happy to provide them for you. But yeah, I'm excited to get this thing out the door, raise some money for the next project. Got a few ideas what we got to do. After this, after I sell this, my next priority is working on this trailer slash like 350-gallon diesel tank smoker I'm going to be building for some family friends. And then after that, we are going to do a miniature cross cart slash go-kart type build. Not a full chassis, but like up to around your chest and then a bar in the back that goes over your head. And probably like a little Predator engine, probably with the plans of selling that too. But we are designing that on Inventor as we speak, so that way I will be able to make plans. The reason I want to do this smaller go-kart frame idea is that way I can learn Inventor and learn how to create plans, so that way I can start selling stuff in the future plan-wise. Because I've had lots and lots of people reach out for the plans of this Buggy and my first Buggy, and I'm devastated that I can't actually get those to those guys because I don't have them. I don't use plans, I never made plans, and I never bought plans. So I can't do that. So hopefully from this point forward, most of my builds will have plans available for them. But if not, I'm sorry, I'm still learning. But I do have the frame already designed. It's just a matter of figuring out the plan layout of how to put it together, I guess, and make it available. But in the meantime, I do still have plans available for the control arms, driveline knuckles, and rear control arms, as well as the tube bender I built for hydraulic tube bender from scratch. And if you guys are interested in that, please check out the Patreon. The link is in the description. And shout out to my 9 or 10 members on there already. Love you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I hope that these plans and other things you guys are joining for can actually benefit you guys. And I'd love to see your guys' projects, builds, anything. Please feel free to share. And yeah, but that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I loved ripping this thing. I loved recording it and getting it edited for you. So hopefully, the future of this, we can also get some more content back up and continue to grow. That's the plan. Almost, we're getting close to 50K. We're only almost to 40 right now. So hopefully we can get to 50K close to into fall. Hopefully that's the plan. So if you guys like this video, make sure to share, comment, like, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.